Okay. Now the whole viewfinder or just the square? What am I getting?
The whole viewfinder.
Okay.
Are you zoomed up on me?
I'm getting there. Okay.
Ready?
Wait. All right. I'm gonna say 1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
That's all.
Oh, it's saying record.
Hi.
Go.
Hi, this is Bobby Lynn again. Have I got a beauty for you? Why, this beauty here is one of the